See how you set it up?
Yeah.
Okay, you put the little pork rind, chip,
Oh.
chicken nugget sandwich. Okay, and then I take a bite. Oh, that's good. How's it taste?
Good.
Tastes good?
Yeah.
That's nice. It looks good, bro. I forgot the name that I gave that sandwich. Chicken nugget
Chicken nugget. Where?
burger.
The burger.
It's got cheese. A regular Wonder Bread.
Wonder Bread. I know too.
And some purple soda. Grape soda.
I like the soda.
Like the soda?
Like this.
That's a plantain. I can't taste it from there. Okay, let me get that. Oop. It's good stuff. It's good stuff.
Stop. Oh no, I'm gonna try it.
It's a pork rind. It's spicy. I'm surprised you like spicy stuff.
Yeah. Hurry up this.
That looks good, bro. I think you need some more of that purple drink. You still got some?
No.
Let me see. You need some more of that purple soda. Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, you got your Pepsi soda. We ran out of the purple drink.
Yeah.
Grape soda. It still tastes good, right?
Yeah.
And I still see you still munching on your... I forgot the name of it, el nombre. I forgot the name of those chicken nugget sandwiches.
Chicken nugget sandwich.
Chicken nugget sandwich?
Yeah, that's your name.
The chicken...
The chicken bread.
Chicken nugget burger.
Chicken burger.
Nugget there. Chicken nugget there. I forgot, man. I had a cool name for it and I forgot. Chicken nugget burger. Chicken nugget burger. Chicken nugget burger. I like that. I like that. Chicken nugget. Chicken nugget burger. It's like a tongue twister.
Yeah.
Chicken nugget burger.
Go out.
Chicken nugget burger. Don't forget. Chicken nugget burger. I see you will enjoy my chicken nugget burger.
I like your chicken nugget burger.
Okay, look. The chicken nugget burger. The chicken nugget burger. Now, I was gonna say something and I forgot.
Forgot. You got it.
Oh, you say it. You say chicken nugget burger. Say it.
Chicken nugget burger.
Now, okay, close. It was pretty good. Close. Say chick nugget burger. Okay, now chick nugget burger. Okay, once again.
Chick nugget burger.
Okay. Say it again.
Chicken nugget burger.
Nah, chick nugget burger.
Burger.
Okay, again. We're gonna say it again. Okay. Chick nugget burger. Say it.
Look at the house.
Looks like a little house.
Yeah. That's it.
Let me see. Okay. That looks like a house to you.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Cool. All right.
Let's look at the house.
Okay, Sizzle. All right. Okay. You took the bread off. That's the cheddar cheese.
Yeah.
Let me see the chicken nugget burger. Looks good, man.
It's big. It's looks like a monster.
Look like a monster? Okay, alright.
Big, like a fan.
Having a good imagination is pretty cool. Yeah.
Chicken Nugget Berger.
So we're gonna do it with the Chicken Nugget Berger. Let's make a video on how we do the Chicken Nugget Berger. So we're gonna go to the store. We're gonna buy chicken nuggets
The Chicken Nugget Berger.
right there in the corner store. Then we'll come back, fry it up, get the cheddar cheese, a couple slices of bread, and we'll make ourselves, or we'll show the world how we do our famous Chicken Nugget Berger.
Good.
Say it.
Chicken Nugget Berger.
Okay, cool. We'll be right back.
Get to eat, and now we talk.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Make and subscribe.
All right.